Hi, let's solve this together. So we have log base 4 with an argument of x minus log base 16 x minus 4 is equals to 1. Okay, so we can modify this using the property of log. We have log 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of 2. We have x minus 4 is equals to 1 is log 4x. Trying to see how to get the same base. So we have this to be same as log 4x. Now on that property of log, we can represent this as 1 over 2. These two become 1 over 2 log 4x minus 4, and then 1 can also be represented as log 4 base 4 and then argument of 4. Write this properly. 4. Okay, that's nice. Well, we can multiply all through by 2 so that we have 2 log 4x minus 2 times 1 over 2, that is 1. So we have log 4x minus 4 is equals to log 4, and then we have 4 here. So let's take this to this side and then take this other one to this other side. I think that will be okay. Actually, multiply this by 2 since we are multiplying all through by 2. So we can take this to this other side and then take this other one to the side. So we have 2 log 4x minus 2 log 4, now we have 4 here, is equals to, taking this to this other side, we have log base 4x minus 4. Well, 2 log base 4 is common in both, so you can write this using the quotient rule of logarithm. We can write this as 2 log base 4, and then we have x over 4 is equals to log base 4x minus 4. So this guy cancels out this guy. We are left with 2x over 4 is equals to x minus 4. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2, x over 2 is equals to x minus 4. So we can write this as, we can write this as x is equals to 2x minus 4. So x is equals to 2x minus 8 x. So if we take this to this other side, we can represent this as 8 is equals to 2x minus x, that is x. So x is equals to 8. This is our final answer. Thank you.